Hi, welcome to this video. I will suggest you to go Jelly Bean League 3, but if you are in ICS then you can use boot menu manager, but you have to change one thing so you can easily use it. So for that, first you have to go your internal memory, then go to etc. First you have to go system root. In system root you have to go etc, uh, then go to the installed applications folder, BMM means boot menu manager. In that, the configuration folder, and here you can see the recovery tab. Open with. If you open it in root explorer, then it is better. So go to text editor. So you will see here all the things written about configuration, but one main thing is last row: int vfat dev block and mmcblk1p25 is like that. Just change vfat to auto, auto, and the return below mmcblk and that to user data. It is because in ICS the internal memory is not given to you to use in phone. It is for it is kept aside to the dock. So for use it, you have to change vfat to auto and this mmcb and all to user data. If you are using Jelly Bean, then you don't have to change because you have the internal storage space in it. So just came back. So now I will show you how to install multiple ROMs in it. First, download any multiple ROM in SD card. Like I downloaded the Moki, and also download the Gaps, Google Apps, because you have to install Google Apps and means Google Play, Gmail to it, because it don't have it inbuilt. So now to install ROMs, just reboot your phone. You can go directly to recovery menu from reboot. So this is the M logo. This is the BMM logo. Just click on it and go to settings to install another ROMs. Go to system 2, partition setup. This is the system 2. You don't install any ROM on system 2. You have to just activate this, as it is activated from installed. So you have to check just partition setup is activated or not. If it is activated, then no problem. You don't have to change anything other. You cannot install any ROM or anything on system 2. It is 1 MB or 2 MB partition. So it is essential to activate the partitions. So after that, check system 3, go to partition setup. On system 3, system 4, system 5 and system 6 you can install 4 another ROMs. which is make for BMM. Here you can go system image. You can select here the system image. Assembly is required. I will take here 800 MBs. So you can destroy it from here. Data images, create. Data is very required. I also make it 800 MB. And cache, I will make 300 MB. 500, 500 and 300 are essential, but you can make big if you want to do it. You can destroy it from directly here, and you can destroy it from the folder. I will show you later. So here is, you can created the partitions for system 3. Now you can check common settings. Now go to back. Here is the recovery menu. Go to recovery, means recovery option. Common setting, nothing show anything, not show anything. Go to recovery. It will take half minute, and after that it will go to recovery. From recovery you can install the ROMs, and if you want install anything on any ROM, then you have to go to recovery, and in that option you can install the any zip file or flash any app or install the ROMs. Then the main thing, you are on system 1 when you go to recovery option. If you want to install any ROM on system 3, 4, 5, 6, because system 2 is not writable, so you have to switch the systems. So 2 is not possible, so 3, as we created the partitions on 3, go to 3rd. Switching system is mainly important. If you try to install zip on this system 1, it will vanish the system and try to install the BMM system on it, and it will create big problem, and you have to flash again the ROM which you want to install, and then you again install, then you have to install again BMM. So don't do this. It is small mistake, but it can make loss. Yes, we go into recovery mode. Before installing any other ROM, just go to firmware flashing and take a backup of CID, because after installing other ROMs, means 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 ROMs, it will create problem. Many times it shows customer ID is not found or something. This type of error it shows when first Motorola logo is come, and it will get somehow problems in signals. So take a backup of CID first, because it is cannot taken back after you lost it. So first take backup is main important, and it is known error of BMM. It comes every time if you boot multi-booted phone, and if you not multi-booted phone, then it will not create any problem. But if you are multi-booting, then just take a backup of CID. I taken already, and if you want, take a backup of kernel also, and other, if you want, take backup of the ROM also, means fast backup, full backup, you can take as you wish. Now you have to install the another ROM. Then main thing is switch system, because if you install zip of that system on this system, then system 1, then it is get problem boot looping, and it will erase this system, and you have to flash again the flash system, and then install BMM and do these processes again. So switching system is main thing and you have to do it. So go to switch system. System 2 is not writable system, so go to system 3. So thank you for watching this video.